this is a tool. This is a rebar. So this is extremely well built. Look at how many bolts are on there. Very heavy duty tool. You have your adjuster screw here. All right, so if you want to adjust it, and you can lock this down. It does come with extra blades. Just a closer look at the blades. Nice big handle. It's well balanced. You do have to plug this in, all right? If you need to add hydraulic fluid to this is the port here. It actually comes with the wrench, and I'll kind of show you what it comes with very quickly. Then look at cutting. This is the case. So it comes with this case, owner's manual, some extra blades. It comes with this. This is to apply new hydraulic fluid if you need it. It comes with this little pencil case inside the pencil case. It comes with some Allen keys and a wrench. All right, so boring stuff out of the way. Let's cut some stuff with this thing. So I've been playing with it, cutting some stuff. I unfortunately don't have any rebar, but I've been cutting some pretty big bolts. These are landscaping pins, and we're also going to cut this chain. So let's get to it. So if I put this in here and run that screw out to kind of hold it, I'm just going to see. Let's see if it cuts it. Yeah, it cuts it like butter. Definitely want to keep your fingers away from it. Now, I wonder if I can cut a chain. I feel like this actually might get stuck. All right, so it definitely cut it on the one side. Now I don't think you're supposed to cut this with this. Oh, no, it definitely cut it. That was just user error, but yeah, it cut that no problem. I just didn't know what I was doing. I do not see any damage to the blade. Let's see how it does with this. It's so weird, it cuts it like butter. Look at that. Yeah, now, very cool, very neat tool. Anbull. Yeah.